Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, a project in Azure DevOps, Test Plans access, and appropriate permissions. Open Test Plans, then click New Test Plan to start, name it, and assign area and iteration so results map to work. Once done, add a test suite. Choose static for manual grouping, requirement-based to link work items, or query-based to auto-populate. Make sure to save early so you don't lose configuration. This gets you into test design without wasting time on trivial setup. Now you author and organize test cases. Add cases manually or convert existing work items into test cases to save time and preserve context. For each case, define clear steps and expected results. Add parameters for data-driven testing and attach screenshots or files where helpful. Once done, tag and set priority so run selection is efficient, and link cases to user stories or bugs to maintain traceability. Make sure to review each case for duplicates and consistency before planning runs. Execute tests using the test runner. Select the suite and start a run, then mark steps as pass, fail, or blocked while adding observations and attachments. If failures occur, file defects directly from the runner and link them to the test and build so developers can reproduce issues. Once done, review run results, use configurations to compare environments, and generate reports or use analytics for pass rate trends. Troubleshooting tip: if runs behave oddly, clear browser cache, reauthorize the pipeline,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.